Hi, welcome to my channel Astron Wonders. I have more than 30 years experience in astrology, but this is the first time I'm coming in public domain. I do not intend to teach astrology as I'm still learning, but I'm here to give you a glimpse of the future according to my astrological prediction. Unlike other astrological videos, I'm not going to use much of jargons. Rather, I have kept my explanation simple for everyone to understand. So stay tuned to know more. Well, the year 2020 is one of the worst years in human history. There are many reasons to consider it as a bad year, but the most significant one has to be the COVID-19 outbreak. Now, the big question is when we will get rid of this pandemic situation worldwide. Well, you guys will find tons of videos in YouTube related to the astrological predictions on the end of this pandemic, and most of them have predicted by end of September or October this year. To some extent they are true, but I can't say that they're fully accurate. Having said that, I do not claim to be perfect, but as per my astrological predictions and studies, I see a whole different picture of it. Now let me explain it to you in layman's language according to astrology why we are in the current situation and by when we can get rid of it. Well, the study of astrology is completely based on the planetary positions in our solar system. Now, among all the planets, the most influential ones are Jupiter and Saturn. By saying that, I mean when the alignment of these two planets are far from each other, then it is expected to bring misfortune to human life. And they have been far from each other since end of the last year. Now the good news is that they are constantly moving, and at one point of time they are expected to come close to each other to form the perfect alignment which will bring things back to normal. Now this is expected to happen from 28th of September onwards, and by 24th of December this year we can expect them to come much closer to each other towards forming that perfect alignment. So we can see some improvements from Christmas this year, and by Jan 2021 it is expected to have a good control on the current COVID situation. Now, whether my predictions are correct or not, time will say that. For now, do subscribe to my channel for more such content. If you have any suggestions, please write to me on the email address given in the description. Bye for now. See you all in another video.